Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the Bitcoin setup and update. But before we're going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply go to wave-trader.com, check the membership levels, and if you're looking for further information, just simply fill that form and send that form to me. All right. Now let's get back to the previous video analysis quickly, and then we're going to look at the next opportunity place you are watching. So we are still within that correction and we still may see another leg lower. Okay, so the next place you are watching is this previous low. All right, so if let me pull out another. Yeah, we are still within that correction, slightly a bigger one. Okay, this one was the previous one, so I'm gonna draw another arrow. Okay, this is what you are looking right now. Still continuation. So first of all, you are watching this previous top to be broken out aggressively. Okay, this previous top to be broken out aggressively and continue to keep pushing more higher. Price has almost finished this correction. All right, it has almost finished that correction there and trying to continue for the next wave. Okay, but we can see that the move is not so strong. It's not so aggressive like this previous one. Okay, so there is a chance that we still may see another leg lower, because we still can see that the sellers are still sitting over there. They are trying to push the Bitcoin lower. Okay, if we are going to see drop, then these are the places you are watching. Okay, let me correct that trend line. This is what you are looking. Okay, so that trend tries to just this top to break out. All right, so in case if price is going slightly lower than this previous low, okay, so we're still gonna look for correction. Okay, but correction is gonna be on this 1 hour time frame. The correction gonna be on slightly a bigger time frame, 4 hour time frame. Okay, so that was the previous analysis. Now let's look at the lower time frame straight away and look at this chart. Okay, so we got the next leg lower. Okay, the leg which we were talking about there, we got that next leg lower. Price bounced off from this previous low, and it's simply trying to break through that top and trying to head towards at 25k. Okay, so the setup, we are still in the correction in that triangle. That triangle is just simply setting up for a breakout opportunity for upside. Okay, we can see there that the moving averages are nicely holding that correction. Okay, and trying to push Bitcoin for breakout for upside like they held there. Okay, now let's look at the coin which is just leading us over there that we may see breakout. I'm going to open that APT. Okay, and gonna look at this chart, and let me remove those moving averages and those two. Okay, so there we can see that we have got almost strength on Bitcoin and on APT at the same time. Okay, so if I'm going to pull out a cross line, let's just put somewhere there. All right, and let's just put somewhere there too. Okay, on 1st of January, we have seen that the trend started to build over there for upside. Okay, and similarly on APT Tether, we have seen that the trend started to build over there for upside. Okay, so we have seen almost corrections at the same time on both charts. Okay, we have seen correction there. Correction started and finished on this date, started and finished on this date for the next leg higher. Okay, again, and started on Bitcoin on this date. Okay, and there we can see that slightly ahead over there. Okay, at this. So let's just put it over there. Okay, and then ended over there. Okay, and ended here. Okay, so if I'm gonna draw some lines on it, so started on this date at this area, ended on this triangle, okay, and broke out. The same started on this date and ended, almost ended. Yeah, I'm just expecting breakout. Okay, ended on this date. So started and ended, started and ended. Okay, so if I'm gonna draw some trend lines on APT Tether, and let's just remove these lines first. Okay, we have seen triangle there. Okay, similar, which is just running over there on, you know, Bitcoin right now. Okay, so we have seen nice breakout over there for upside on APT Tether. Just broke out. The next sharp impulsive move is just happening over there. Okay, so Bitcoin is also setting up for that breakout. Okay, so I'm anticipating just breakout similar move. Okay, so if I'm gonna copy paste that move and gonna copy and paste that move here, very much similar like that move you are looking on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin to just continue to keep rising all the way up to 25k. We can get the idea that up to which level that can go. So if I'm gonna, let's say, gonna use that fib lines from there to there. Okay, so right now APT is just about to tag that 27. Okay, so the next breakout should tag that 27, 2440. Okay, so the target is at 25. The target, which I'm showing in the previous video analysis, the same, so 25. So why APT is being used with the Bitcoin? So it's just simply, we can, if we compare that from that previous low that we have just done, APT is just, APT and Bitcoin both are just following each other. Okay, so we got a breakout on APT. All right, that's just leading us that we are, a Bitcoin is also setting up for a breakout for that next opportunity. Okay, so what you are watching is, as explained in the previous video analysis, that the floor, all right, so the 1 hour time frame floor or 1 hour time frame moving averages you are watching. So if I'm gonna remove that, you are watching where the green box is. Okay, so that's that we call that a risk taking entry. Okay, at this area, and a breakout going to be over there, breakout entry going to be over there. So you're looking for that to hold and breakout for upside. Okay, and another thing which you are watching is the order book. All right, so sellers are still in control. We can see over there. So sellers are trying to make that correction bigger. Okay, but buyers are also building over there. Okay, so we got a lead from APT. Breakout from APT is telling us that we may see breakout on Bitcoin. Okay, so you're watching that previous low and breakout Bitcoin to break through and continue to keep heading towards 25k. All right, thank you. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.